Okay, I'm holding one of the most viral sandwiches on the internet right now, the smash burger taco. It's crispy, cheesy, and juicy, and once you try it, regular tacos just won't hit the same. I'm going to show you exactly how to make it step by step. It's super easy and crazy good. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mona. We're going to jump right in with a list of ingredients for today's recipe. We're going to be using street-sized tortillas, some Roma tomatoes, American cheese, any type of lettuce that you like. I chose this kind because I like the colors, some salt and pepper, as well as some ground beef. I'm going to thinly slice my Roma tomatoes. However, you can chop your tomatoes however you like. You can dice them, slice them, grind them. It's just a matter of preference. Next, I'm going to make the burger sauce. Now, for this sauce, you'll need a couple of ingredients. You'll need mayo, ketchup, mustard, and relish. And what you're going to do is mix all of the ingredients in a bowl and stir it until everything is nice and smooth. And you'll also want to season with a bit of salt and pepper. And as always, the recipe is included in the description box down below. Once the burger sauce has been thoroughly mixed, it should look something like this. The next step is to roll the ground beef into balls of about 2 to 3 ounces in size, and we're going to place those on top of the tortillas. The ground beef can get a little bit sticky during this process, so I like to spray whatever utensil I'm using with a little bit of olive oil to help with that. I'm going to flatten the ground beef and get as close as possible to the edges of the tortilla because ground beef does have a tendency to shrink. And it should end up looking something like this. Once all of my tortillas are ready, I'm going to sprinkle them with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Next, I'll have a pan over medium heat, and I'm going to lay the tortilla into the pan with the meat side facing down. And then I'm going to immediately start pressing. I'm going to continue pressing and smashing, and I'll do this for a few minutes until the meat is done. You'll want to keep some of the fat from the ground beef. However, if you have some ground beef that puts out excessive fat, you can just pour some of that out into a separate container. Once the meat has been cooked thoroughly, you're going to flip the tortilla over and you're going to immediately top it with cheese and then cover it until the cheese melts. Once the cheese is nice and melted, we're going to uncover and then remove the tortilla from the pan. This is how they look when they're done cooking. The cheese is nice and melted and the tortillas are nice and crispy. Now it's time to add the toppings. In this video, I'm just doing some lettuce and tomato along with the burger sauce. However, you can add whatever toppings you like. You can add bacon and jalapeños and onions and any other sauces that you like. And here they are all finished. You just fold them up and enjoy. And as I stated earlier, they were cheesy, juicy, crunchy, and crispy. And here in just a second, I'm gonna let my 15-year-old son Aiden try them for the first time. So I hope you guys enjoy his reaction. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys on the next one. Happy cooking.
What is all time? What is your...
Not good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
No.